today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company HerGivenHair, and today I will be showing you some natural realness. Now this unit I will be showing you guys is their Feelin Mighty unit. This is a coily texture, 14 inches in length. It is a 13x6 lace front wig, and I do have the cap size small. You get your deep bleached knots, and you also get a pre-plucked hairline. Ahead and co-wash my unit using my Dove moisture shampoo and conditioner, and y'all look at those coils. They are so pretty. Like, I don't even want to mess with them. But even though this unit does come slightly pre-plucked, I'm just going in and making some extra customizations. Of course, if you are a beginner, you don't have to worry about that because they do everything for you. Your girl just wants to be a little bit extra. The 13x6, you are going to get some good parting space. You are going to get a lot of versatility. You do not have to just be stuck with wearing this one way. I am choosing to rock mine as a side part, and I am going to be doing a curved side part. If you guys have watched me for a while, you guys know if I do a side part, then I'm most likely going to curve it. So I'm going to be taking my water, and I'm also going to be taking my Denman brush and just lightly brushing through it just to kind of define the curls before adding product. And the product that I am adding here is my olive oil foam. Of course, you guys know all of the products that I am using in this video can be found down below in the description area. This unit was so easy. If you do not have one of those detangling brushes, you definitely need one in your life. I'm going to be taking out a little bit of hair out of the front of the hairline just to add a little bit of swoop to the side, and I'm going ahead and doing this while it's on the mannequin so I don't have to worry about it once I put it on my head. Once I am done with that, I'm going to let this air dry on the mannequin head, and I'm not going to touch it until it is time for me to install it. So the wig is now completely dry. I let it sit on my mannequin head for about 2 days before I recorded this part. But look at that parting space. It looks so good, and the curls look really great. But we'll see how it's gonna look once I fluff it out. Now, if you have made it this far into the video and you are new to my channel and you are liking what you see, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you are subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to turn those notifications on because you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. Now with HerGiven units, you can absolutely wear them glueless. You do not have to worry about any type of adhesive, especially because you have your adjustable strap and you also have the adjustable elastic band for extra security. But for today, I am going to be using my High Insta Hold Spray because I want this to look super, super melted. So I'm going to be spraying that on top of the lace, and then I am going to use my blow dryer to speed up the process. Kind of lightly re-swooping those hairs over to where I need it to be, and then I'm just going to be placing my powder into the parting space area and also around the hairline just to kind of clean it up. And it is fluff time. That is my favorite part of curly wigs, is to fluff them up, just because I love to see the outcome of it. Now I'm going to be really careful, especially like with on the sides, because I don't want this to already look super frizzy. I want this to still mimic a nice wash and go. Still gonna have to kind of play around with it, especially to see how I wanted to frame my face. This is a step you can definitely skip, but I wanted to kind of push that hairline back a little bit to have the curls fall over. So I'm using my Hotcomb to press back the side, and then I'm going to press in the front, but not press it so much because I don't want to take away from the texture of the root area. trim off a little bit of the longer pieces that was falling over my eye. Down, if you don't want to wear your hair in your face, you can just kind of push that part back if you don't want to take your scissors and do anything else to it. But it didn't need like a big chop, and I'm just seeing how it looks if it is tucked behind my ear, and I think it looks good. But guys, I'm gonna let you finish enjoying this styling process, but make sure you stay tuned after that so you guys can hear my final thoughts. Done styling this unit, and this is so cute. Now I know this might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I feel like the cut on this, the length, it looks very realistic. I did have to kind of push this area out the way because it was fighting me against my eyelashes, and it was making my eyelash kind of come down a little bit like that. So I had to kind of push it out the way, and you can always kind of trim it to your liking, especially if you're going to rock it more in your face like that. But this is really cute. I'm loving the color on this. It's not too much color, but it's definitely enough color to play around with. Yeah, I like it. Washing this unit, I had no issues with it. I used my Dove moisture shampoo and conditioner, and I didn't really get any problems. I mean, because of the length, I didn't have to detangle it too much, and I also did not get a lot of shedding with this unit. Also, during the styling process, I did notice a lot of shedding. It did come off just a little bit slightly dry after I washed it because I did not leave my conditioner on for too long. But once I added my product in, like, it feels really nice and soft. I use my olive oil foam to define the curls. You can always go in with some like curling cream if you wanted to, but I didn't want this to feel too heavy, and I also didn't want the curls to look way down. So a little bit of foam definitely goes a long way. Freestyled my baby hairs on the mannequin head because I didn't want this side to kind of be all pushed up. I wanted to show more. I did not put any on this side, but just on this side because, I mean, I do have a curved parting space. You can rock this in the middle, but of course you are gonna have kind of like this length more on this side. It's gonna be more even. As far as tangling goes on this unit, I'm not getting any right now, but just from my own experience, you are gonna have to, you know, detangle it a little bit in the nape area, but because this hair is this length, you're not gonna have to really worry too much on it tangling up back here. And I also noticed on this unit, the density is very good. It's not like an overpowering density. You guys know with HerGiven units, they do not skimp you when it comes to the density. You're not gonna have to worry about a thin unit. I feel like they did a really good job with this one. It's a little bit heavier up in this area. You don't have so much in the back to where it's going to feel heavy. Like, this unit feels really lightweight. It feels very lightweight. The parting space on this unit, you guys know they're going to give you the 13x6, which I appreciate, because the more parting space you have, to me, the more realistic it looks. And especially for the price you're going to pay, you want as much parting space as possible. They do a really good job with bleaching the knots. I didn't have to go in and fix anything up. All I did was add my powder in to kind of open it up a little bit more. The only thing that I did was kind of pluck out a little bit in the front area, but I didn't have to like really go so hard on plucking out any hairs just because it already came pre-plucked. It just melts in perfectly. I don't really have to worry about those issues when it comes to their lace. I feel like it blends in very well. The length on this I love because I feel like it's not doing too much. It hits me just right. Now I know some people may say it looks shorter than 14 inches, but just remember that this is a curled unit, so it hits 14, especially in the back area when you stretch out the curls on this. So if you're using products and you are using a brush to define this, of course it is going to shrink up, but I don't mind this length at all. Like, you cannot tell me this this doesn't look realistic, like it doesn't look like my hair. On the website, they do offer 16 inches just in case you wanted a little bit more length. Yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this. Like I said, I know it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but I am feeling the realistic look. The curls on this are very nice. I feel like HerGiven gets it right all the time with these textured units, especially when they add the color, because it doesn't take away from the curl. You are feeling this unit. I'm gonna make sure to leave a link down below. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.